Hello, everyone. Welcome to Gentle Yoga. Today's relaxing yoga session will help you burn calories, improve flexibility, strengthen your body, and support healthy weight loss, all from the comfort of your home. Find a comfortable space, take a deep breath, and let's begin our gentle journey together.
Stand tall, feet together, shoulders soft, let go. Arms up to the ceiling, slow breath in, slow breath out. Stretch your whole body, feel your spine grow long. One breath at a time, one breath at a time. You rise, you hold, you shine, one breath at a time. Bend your knees, sit back, chest stays lifted high, legs on fire, keep breathing, arms reach to the sky. Hold it, feel it working, you're stronger than before. Step back, open wide, look past your front hand, legs turn steady, side to side you stand. One breath at a time, one breath at a time. You rise, you hold, you shine, one breath at a time. Hands down, body long, core tight, stay strong. Press your heels, relax your neck, send the tension on, lie down, lift your chest, open up your heart, lift your hips, press through, then twist and let it go. Fold into the child's pose, forehead to the floor. You did amazing today, stillness in your bones. One breath at a time, one breath at a time. You rise, you hold, you shine, one breath at a time. Consistency over perfect, day by day you grow, one breath at a time.